Welcome to Star Filtration Systems, your trusted partner in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Our facility is located in the beautiful hilly area of Cala Bay, providing an ideal setting for innovation and excellence in pharmaceutical production, including HPLC, friability apparatus, and dissolution apparatus, ensuring precise and reliable quality control. We prioritize every detail, from meticulous gowning procedures to the careful placement of control samples. Our state-of-the-art facility, staffed by world-class technicians, is equipped with advanced machinery. Our tablet production operates under strictly controlled temperature and humidity conditions, while our liquid line production boasts rigorous vacuum cleaning, washing, filling, sealing, and labeling processes. Our vision is to be a global leader in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Led by dedicated directors, we are committed to providing a world-class facility that guarantees timely delivery and efficient service, driven by innovation and a mission to improve health and well-being. At Star Filtration Systems, we are dedicated to advancing health with precision.